So this is my 2014 Mitsubishi. I have tied up all the cable. This is ISO connector, microphone, GPS, ground, and the antenna. Okay. And there's the antenna cable. Okay, this is USB. And there's a microphone cable. Microphone go to the mic. GPS cable, go to GPS. Okay, now I have to ground this cable somewhere. Okay. Now, this is the remote control wire. Actually, I need to terminate or join them together. Okay, so when it's applied with this, I think it's a 12-pin plug. Alright, so it goes to the steering wheel control. I'm going to terminate them together. These two. So what I need to do is cut this cable, terminate, we'll put it in here. Oops. So what I need to do is cut this connector and terminate it. So cut. push. Now you can see it here. And red color using red framework. It's tight. Now I can plug them together. Okay, can see? And there's no exposed connector, so should be safe. So finally, this end, I can plug it to the remote control. And this end should be go into the remote control here. So when you install, there are a few things you need to pay attention. So that's the GPS connector. This is the USB cable, the two USB port, and next to it is the microphone stereo jack. And this cable is the steering wheel remote control stereo jack. And next to it is the two RCA connector. One is for video out, okay. Another one is for the reverse camera. And this is the ISO 24-pin harness. And that's the connector. So you won't mix up because these two have different checking mechanism. So you won't mismatch when you plug it in. And this one is the antenna cable. Okay. So this is the one. And then that's the earth wire. So now I got everything plugged up. So hopefully the steering wheel control should work. So I'm checking all the cable, make sure it's tidy. And I did pull out the antenna. So make sure I put the antenna back. So it's to here. So I need additional hand. Firm. And everything tight, so looking good. Now I can put everything back gently and do a quick test. And of course I need the ground. Okay. Alright, so far so good. Screws. I need to fix this. Is one of them. And then the second one. Oh. So to do a test, I better plug in all the electrical devices. Now, moment of truth. Okay, I am here now. Turn it on. almost done. A little bit gap, but looks okay. No hurry, no chop. Just bit by bit, slowly put the top back and slide in. Okay, this should be here. Clip. Let's start the car at low. Yeah, the switch is working. Now next, pop the face here back. Okay, pop. Done. Perfect. Okay, tap here a little bit. Minus step here. Shouldn't be a problem. Done. I have successfully installed the JVC unit KW-M740B for boy, T for Tom. So let me start my car. Okay. So that's a JVC logo startup, and I have connected it to my Sony mobile phone. Typical question. I will. So my JVC KW-M740BT is up and going. That's the default screen. You got Android Auto, tuner, Waze, and the telephone setup, and also navigate buttons, Spotify, whatever. Okay, so now if I want to go back to USB, that's easy. Search music, and you can have different music. You can also play a lot of different music. Piano Sonata. By Redway, so very famous man. Okay, if you say I want to go to Android Auto, you just press the button. This is my current location. I just stop the car in the park. So, okay, Google, what's the weather today?
Right now in Riverwood it's 21 and sunny. Today it'll be sunny with a forecast high of 22 and a low of 11.
Okay, Google, navigate to Sydney Opera House.
Navigating to Sydney Opera House.
It's perfect.
Head north on Khan Street north towards Rhonda Avenue.
Very good. You can also switch the app. Now I'm using Waze. So very easy. Okay, going back to map. Life is so simple. I have already installed a steering wheel control module, so these buttons are functioning. I couldn't get these two working. I don't know why. This one is the attenuation for voice is working, so that one would skip the song. So for example, that is the current music I'm playing. See? Change it. So next, go to here, go to USB, home screen, USB, change music. I can go top level. So Nora Jones again. Okay. I can change the volume. See this one here? If I want to do something else, this is more button. It takes me to somewhere. There's a video, AV off, and Spotify, to AM, FM, whatsoever. Done. Very good. Okay, let's turn down the volume. The JVC also support web link. If I press this button, to connect to my smartphone. Smartphone is on. And then you can see the status. Okay, a little bit noise, but WebLink is activated. See? Now, once WebLink is connected, it's using my mobile phone to connect to internet. For example, if I want to see what is close to me or have something to eat, I press this one. Cafe, you tell me where can I go. I can also using YouTube, but of course, while my car is parked. Okay, so this one. Using the navigation map. This way line, and then I can check the weather. Just the weather now, and of course music. That's good. If I want to exit, I press this button, and then exit WebLink. Take me back to my system, and I can listen to music